Ngayikhuluma ke le ndaba lena yama commissions guys ukuthi mina ngihambisani nayo because uma sibheka nje eNingizimu Afrika ayikho i-commission esingasho sithi nansi yasisebenzela yasebenza yenza u-1 no-2 no-3. Ngasho ngathi umsebenzi wama-commission number 1 is to protect ama-comrades, number 2 to implicate labo bantu laba basuke bengahambisani nalabo abathile. So njengamanje masibheka kufa abantu kuMadlanga Commission, kuneMadlanga Commission njengamanje esingazi ukuthi nakhona ipresident izothi egcineni uma sekwenziwe ama recommendation izothini. Lento engisho mina kumele it doesn't make sense. What if people okuyibona mhlambe the favorite people of the president are implicated, or even the president himself is implicated? Izokwenzani? Obviously there is nothing positive that can come out of iMadlanga Commission if that's the case. And njengamanje siyabona ukuthi silahlekelwa abantu abama-witness. Why kwakufanele kuvulwe iMadlanga Commission? Why kwangavulwa ama-cases alezinto lezi, ama-cases ama-suspects? Kuboshwa abantu ngaphandle kokuthi kuze kuchithwe imali enkulu, because uma ubheka ama-commissions achitha izimali ezinkulu kabi ama-commissions. But kuba kwavulwa amacala njengoba babenza nje olento zonhlanhla mkhonazi bavula amacala kuboshwa abantu, ungalokhu kwenziwa izitori, kwenziwa yonke lento lena esibukayo lama series lawa esiwabuka kwi-TV. Right, abantu abaningi bajabulela ukuthi now we know, but senzani ngokuthi sesiyazi ukuthi senze umchuni wenzani, senzani thina ngakho ukuthi uJulius Mkhwanazi wenzani sesiyazi, but senzani ngaleyo information? Ayikho into esoyenza vele ngaleyo information. That's why kwakufanele nje kuvulwa ama-cases kuboshwa abantu, singalokho sitshelwa ngoMadlanga Commission, because they are wasting a lot of money and ekugcineni uzozwa kuthiwa akwenzakalanga lutho. So siyabona abantu basilahlekela njengamanje. So kumina nje it's a no iMadlanga Commission.